If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in PUBG, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or social media channels to ensure that the servers are online and not undergoing maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back up. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available patches, as updates often fix bugs and loading issues. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files feature. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help resolve loading problems. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. High settings can sometimes cause performance issues, leading to loading delays. Reducing these settings can help the game load more smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.